guys are racing. It's a start, it's a green flag, everyone's racing. Some pedals already for the ABC race class. I can see 3 cars wide kā jau ierasts, viss šis mansas nedaudz izveidosies vairāk auģu garumā, bet, sākumā viss vienā lielā pārā, kā jau minēja, RND klasē, nemaldos ar 1,6 litru zinēju, poļu braucēju, pārsvarā par mini automašīnas redzējumu startu. Veikums 600 klasē arī 1,6 litru zinēju, bet AVC reiz līdz 1,4 litru tilpumu zinējiem, un pamanījumi iepriekš, ka daži ar mazjādīgākiem auto ir pat bijuši ātrāki par citiem poļbraucējiem, tā kā redzēsim, kā te tūlīt pat ierindosies visi šie braucēji. And we're about to see where are the drivers standing in the first lap, so about 1.5 minutes have passed, we should see them around the last corner, and there they are, Marek Matvejev leading the race there, followed by Batcc, and then Viesnurs, Mozels. So we see the first Batcc is 15, Danielski 16, Tatiana VP dropped from the 17th position, Robert Suazol in 18, Jerzy Amor in 19th, Viktor also got a position, he's in 20th position, Anders Smith is 21st. And then we have after slots, Kristen Salic, Stanislav Luka Robles, Karl Sirmans, Vitold Svarno Ona, and Anthony Derebetsky did not actually start the race, so probably some technical issues for him. And the best time is set by Maxim Batcc. So previously we remember that Marek Matvejev was fighting with the limits from RN2 class. So right now Maxim Batcc has the best time, 0.5 seconds behind Marek Matvejev. So it could be that the guys are fighting again. And we can see Marek Matvejev leading the race, and V60 cars going almost on 2 wheels. We might see an intense battle between Wozos and Agafonov. Wozos leading followed by another rookie, Andris Misic. Jā, vēlreizam interesants pozīciju maiņas visās klasēs. Jāpiemina, jā, ABC race automašīnā Rikards Zemnickis. Var pašam teikt, ka čempionu automašīnu pašam izdevās vinēt čempionātu ABC race klasē, un tā kā Rikards Zemnickis to pašu mēģina izdarīt. Šis viņam pirmais gads un pirmais sacensības šobrīd šai braucienā 3. vietā. Un aiz viņa arī Andris Misiņš, ja nemaldos, arī jau pienācējs tur pavisam tuvu turās. Tālāk Arturs Bots, Kristers Saliņš, Sandis Lauga. Tā kā aizraujošs cīņš notiek visās vasarās. So several interesting battles. Marks Mateus has put up our best lap at the moment. And he's still being chased by Maxim Bortsenik. And then we have Wilson Schwarzkopf and now about 6 minutes past from the racing time, so we have around 8 minutes left on the clock, so we're not even halfway there. We've seen some interesting battles. Marks Mateus still going strong with a nice pace for him. He has the best time of 1 minute 41, and he's going strong in the lead. We can see him again appearing at the last turn of the Connecticut racetrack, and Marks Mateus leading. And we can see some battles happening there. It is Bruno Noslēgsies esam jau pāri pusē šīm sacensībām, kas arī ir noslēdzošais trešais brauciens. Līdz ar to dienai arī būs galā pēc finiša šiem te visiem braucējiem E-16 klasē un arī kopsumā pa priekšu mums Marks Matejevs un gan pieredzējis braucējs, te uzmeties ir pamatīgu skēru. Satiku viņu arī no rīta un teica, ka viss kārtībā. Diezgan pārliecinošs sniegums, bet tāpat ar tiem poļu braucējiem ir jāpacīnās. Braucēji vienādojušies, jā, bet pavisam drīz jau droši vien Sakers arī, protams, vēl uz beigām. Aptuveni minūtes starpā no pirmā brauciena līdz pēdējiem. So around a minute between the first driver Michael James and the last one Luca Robo. So it might be that they catch up the backmarkers. And what do we have here? Where is there's one driver missing. It's very far on the track. The second place in 1600 and Pegasus was on track. Interesting, what really happened to Pegasus was on here. Interestingly, Buford has lost a lot of positions. Later on, we'll find out what really happened there. Meanwhile, Marek Matveyev going on another lead lap. Then there's Maxim standing again, and now he's got a overtaken Kaspar Saruminas. Yes, that is correct. What an interesting down there. Kaspar Saruminas dropped position. Even more and more back in his losing position, out of position, so it looks like so that means that this is the start of the last lap. Marek Matveyev leading, Maxim Wilson second. Then we have now let's give it a second. We've got a lot of fire screens there. Yes, and it's a red flag. It's a red flag, guys. We are stopping. Stopped for now. There was a major crash, and we were on the final lap. We were on the final lap, so the race will not be continued, then we will see what the results after this. What really happened.